Second part of unit second, that is fish biology. It is about the different types of fishes. So first is angelfish. So it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Cichliformes, family Cichlidae, genus Petrophyllum, and species Scalarius. So this is known as the angelfish. And angelfishes are frequently striped longitudinally, coloration which provides additional camouflage. These are predators and prey on small fish and macroinvertebrates. All Petrophyllum species form monogamous pairs. Eggs are generally laid on a submerged log or a flattened leaf, as is the case of other cichlids. Brood care is highly developed. It shows a sexual dimorphism. Fins are the main. So main difference between the male and female angelfish is the size of the tube located between the anal and the ventral fin. This tube will be much thicker in the female than in the male. The difference is generally not easily visible until the fish have begun to spawn. When the female gets ready to spawn, she will start to swell up with the eggs. So next is blue morph fish. The most common morph is the blue variety. So other includes the checkered varieties known as the orange blotch morph, the light blue morph, and the white morph. The blue variety has a pale blue background with 7 or 8 blue back bars on the body. Then zebrafish or Denio rario. So classification wise, its order is Cypriniformes, family Cyprinidae, genus Denio, and species is Retro. Zebra Denio is also used to make genetically modified fish and were the first species to be sold as glowfish or fluorescent colored fish. It can be studied as model biology system. Zebrafish possesses numerous advantages for scientists. Its genome has been fully sequenced and it has well understood, easily observable and testable developmental behaviors. Its embryonic development is very rapid and its embryo are relatively large, robust and transparent and able to develop outside their mother. Zebrafish have the ability to regenerate their heart and lateral line hair cells during their larval stages. The zebra denio is the lively little schooling fish. It is easy to recognize with its attractively striped black and white zebra patterned body. Next is anemone fish. So it is also named as clownfish. Family class Actinopterygii, family Pomacentridae, subfamily Amphiprioni, and genus Amphiperion. Anemone fish and sea anemone have a symbiotic mutualistic relationship, each providing a number of benefits to each other. The individual species are generally highly host specific. The sea anemone protects the anemone fish from predators as well as providing food through the scrap left from the anemone's meal and occasional dead anemone's tentacles and functions as a safe nest site. In return, the anemone fish defends the anemone from its predators and parasites. The anemone also picks up nutrients from the anemone's fish excrement. The nitrogen excreted from the anemone fish increases the amount of algae incorporated into the tissues of their host, which aids the anemone in tissue growth and regeneration. The mucus coating of fish may be based on the sugars rather than proteins. This would mean that anemones fail to recognize the fish as a potential food source and do not fire their nematocyst or sting organelles. It shows hierarchy in a group. Most anemone fish are protandrous hermaphrodite, develop into the male first, and when they mature, they become females. So it shows a parental care. The male anemone fish are often the caretakers of the eggs. Then butterfly fish. Butterfly fish are a group of tropical marine fish of the family Catodontidae. There is not an evident sexual morphism. Male and female generally look alike, even if sometimes the male is slightly bigger. So, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Perciformes, family Catodontidae, genus Catodon, species Falcula. The yellow-tailed butterfly fish, Catodon genthrus, is a small fish which grows to around 14 centimeters in length. The main parts of the body is white with a black reticulated pattern on the sides and an orange colored band towards the back of its body. Because of this particular pattern, it is sometimes referred to as the pearl scale butterfly fish. The copper band butterfly fish, it is found in the Indian Ocean, Indo-Pacific and Australia. It is also known as the beaked coral reef fish. Copper band butterfly fish is white with copper bands running vertically on the sides of the body. Copper band butterfly fish have a false eye towards the back of the dorsal fin. Then four-eye butterfly. These fish are deep-bodied and laterally compressed with a single dorsal fin and a small mouth with tiny bristle-like teeth. The four-eye butterfly fish mates for life and therefore they will often be seen in pairs. Four-eye butterfly fish get their name due to large dark spot on the rear portion of each side of the body. Then raccoon butterfly fish, also known as a crescent masked or lunal butterfly fish. The raccoon butterfly fish can grow up to the length of 20 centimeters. The raccoon butterfly fish is a nocturnal species that usually swims in pairs or in small groups. So these are the different types of the butterfly fish. Now the question bank. So first give the characters of angelfish or butterfly fish. Then give the symbiotic relationship in anemone fishes and give the different types of butterfly fishes. So these all fishes are in your syllabus. So go through all the fishes, their biology, their characters, gender characters, and then their types and sexual dimorphism and the different symbiotic relationship of anemone fishes with the anemone. Thanks.